Hey everybody, I hope that this video finds you well. I wanted to send out an important message to talk to you guys about what is going on in our market and what we are doing as your agency and what you can do as a consumer to help out with all the crazy that we're seeing. So we are seeing very large rate increases. We are seeing 20 to 30% on homes. I read a statistic that auto insurance is costing 15% more this year than it did last year from inflation itself. We are also seeing companies tighten down on their underwriting guidelines for what is acceptable for risks, generally on properties, homes, things like that. And we are seeing them wanting to increase deductibles. $2,500 is looking like the new standard, and or 1%. If your roof is over a certain age, we've seen a lot of people switch to a roof schedule or actual cash value. We have seen a couple of companies flat out say, we will not be taking new home in certain zip codes. And one company will be releasing that they will be making it very difficult to issue any homeowners for their company for the rest of the year. So what we are doing for you at renewal, we are going through your coverages. We are trying to go through your coverages with you. I know this is not a fun thing to talk about, but we want to make sure that you are getting absolutely all the discounts that you can. And we want to make sure that you have the coverage that you need for your risk, whether that's increasing or decreasing coverages. It depends upon your risk. So we are taking the time to really comb through that to make sure you have what you need and you don't have what you don't need. The last effort resort is to remarket you to our different carriers. We have been doing a lot of remarketing and not a lot of moving people. We are not seeing that remarketing every single account is showing that we can save people money. And if we can't save, 10%, it's not worth it. And we've been moving very few people, but we have been having some success with some of these discounts that we can get. So what can you as the consumer do to help? One, check your emails. We are sending you things, sending you questions to make sure that we have all the discounts for you. Consider doing driving apps. I know Big Brother, I know that's not what you really want, but that's where the savings is going to be on the auto insurance. Think about increasing deductibles. You should be able to see some savings from there. Think about your coverages, make sure your coverage A is high enough. We will go over that with you at your renewal. And we'll go over all of the coverages with you to make sure that they are where they need to be. And just mentally prepare. I am telling you now, you are probably going to see an increase because that's where the market is going. Homes, we are seeing 20 to 30% increase. Auto, we're seeing probably 10%. And so I just am wanting to get out to you what is going on so that you can prepare for that and let you know that we are still looking. We have changed the way that we are doing things because we have found it more advantageous to do it this way and maximize the discounts that you already have. So we are definitely here to do that and review and help you get the premium down, or the premium where it needs to be with what your risk is. So I am here for you and answering any questions that you may have. Noah will be in contact with you at your renewal within the 30-day window. And just give us a little grace because it's pretty much everybody. We are really trying to take the time to get to everybody on every account to give you guys the level of service that we expect. So thank you so much for being our customer. Thank you for trusting us as your agency and agents. We are here for you and hope you have a great weekend.